Welcome to the good life. Make a toast, another good night. I'm sure this is what it looks like, but do know that I fought the good fight. Back when I was in the trenches, collecting dust and on the bench. And this can't be the place for venting, but it was my time I was spending. I'm sure you know the feeling when your hands reach the ceiling. I'm losing all my worries, clear skies in a hurry. Yeah, so it's back to basics. The morning comes and I'm back to chasing the same old things with the same old faces. But there's not one thing I would change, man. Running and running, but I'm already here. Whoa, waiting for something, but for what it's not clear. Whoa, running and running, but I'm never scared. You better pick me up, pick me up, pick me up if I fall down. I'm taking a stand now. If you understand your word gets round, you better pick me up, pick me up, pick me up if I fall down. Welcome to my story. Before the songs, before the glory, there was a boy in the town that's boring, who let go of the fear he's holding. Walked out of all his classes, followed his so-called passion. Everyone said he was crazy, and they were right